We're in the middle of a quiet printing revolution. With smart features, sustainable materials, and AI-powered automation, the best printers of today are light years ahead of the noisy, ink-hungry machines of the past. Whether you're working from home, running a side hustle, or just printing your favorite photos, having the right printer can make a huge difference. So what makes the best printer of 2025 really stand out? And what should you be looking for before buying one? Let's break it all down. 1. The problem with traditional printers. Let's be real, we've all been there. You hit print and nothing. Or worse, the printer throws an error, the paper jams, and the ink runs out halfway through the job. It's the ultimate productivity killer. Here are some of the biggest complaints users still have. Connectivity issues, devices that won't sync with Wi-Fi or mobile apps. Slow speeds, especially on color-heavy or double-sided jobs. Poor print quality, blurry text or dull photo colors. Expensive consumables, ink cartridges that cost more than the printer itself. Environmental concerns, wasteful packaging, high energy use, and non-recyclable parts. For a technology that's been around for decades, printing has remained surprisingly stubborn in certain pain points. But the good news is, 2025 is bringing real change. 2. What's new in 2025 printing tech? This year, manufacturers are finally focusing on the user experience. Here are the top innovations redefining printing in 2025. 1. AI integration. Smart printers now come equipped with onboard AI that monitors your usage patterns, automatically adjusts resolution and ink usage, detects potential issues before they happen, recommends optimal paper and layout settings for each job. Think of it like having a print-savvy assistant built right into the machine. 2. Eco-friendly design. Sustainability is no longer optional. It's a selling point. The best printers today use recycled plastic in the body, offer cartridge-free refill systems like Epson's EcoTank or HP's Smart Tank, optimize ink usage with smart algorithms, enter ultra-low power modes when not in use. Some brands even offer trade-in programs and take-back recycling for old cartridges. 3. Self-healing and maintenance automation. No more waiting for a tech visit or crawling through troubleshooting guides. Modern printers can run diagnostics automatically, clear paper jams on their own, order ink or toner when supplies run low, perform firmware updates silently in the background. 4. Universal connectivity. Gone are the days of clunky drivers and USB cables. In 2025, expect one-tap mobile printing via NFC voice command printing through Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant cloud-based print queues that sync across devices, seamless integration with Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft 365. Top printer tech to watch in 2025. Let's talk about the standouts. Here are 3 printers that are setting the bar for innovation this year. 1. HP Smart Tank 7602. Best for home offices and small businesses. What stands out? A cartridge-free ink system with up to 2 years of ink included. Smart app control with real-time diagnostics. AI-powered optimization for double-sided printing. Eco perks. Made with over 45% recycled plastic. Energy Star certified Solar. And 2. Canon Pixma G620 Megatank Photo printer. Best for photo enthusiasts and content creators. What stands out? 6-color dye-based ink system for ultra-rich print. Borderless photo printing up to 8.5 x 11. Mobile printing with voice control and app syncing. Eco perks. High-yield refillable tanks reduce waste dramatically. 3. Epson EcoTank ET8500. Best for creatives and hybrid workspaces. What stands out? Exceptional photo and document quality. AI-enhanced ink distribution based on task. Typo converts scans to editable documents via Cloud OCR. Eco perks. Zero cartridge design plus refillable ink equals lower long-term costs and waste. 4. Key features to look for in a 2025 printer. Even if these models aren't right for you, here are some must-have features in any 2025 printer. AI-powered optimization, mobile plus voice control compatibility, low-cost refillable ink systems, eco-conscious design and certifications, self-cleaning and smart maintenance, top-tier connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, cloud print. 5. What's next in printer tech? Beyond 2025, here's a glimpse of what's coming down the pipeline. 3D print plus paper hybrid machines. Some companies are experimenting with multifunction printers that can switch between standard paper output and low-res 3D prototyping. Biometric security printing. Think fingerprint access to print jobs or encrypted document queues. Accent printing and texture layers. Niche, yes, but experimental printers are testing how to replicate textures and even scents for more immersive art and packaging. The bottom line? Printing is becoming smarter, greener, and more personal than ever. Cha? Is it worth upgrading? So, should you consider upgrading your printer in 2025? Absolutely, if your current printer is slow, unreliable, or expensive to maintain. You care about sustainability and reducing waste. You want smarter features like app control and AI optimization. Modern printers aren't just tools, they're smart devices that integrate seamlessly with your digital life. And the best part? Many of them are more cost-effective in the long run, thanks to refillable ink systems and automated maintenance. Call to action. What do you think? Have you tried any of the new printer tech in 2025? Or do you still have nightmares from using that inkjet in 2010? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping your everyday life.